Okay. Ready? Thank you.
Try to get the whole thing and video me running into the wall.
Okay. Get us?
Okay, there's two ways.
I don't know. You go that way, I'll go this way.
Oh no.
Oh, there's nothing here.
It is a dead end.
Dead end?
I think, yeah.
They're all dead ends.
Dang it. Oh my god.
Are you sure there's a dead end?
Oh, this is so sketchy.
Dude, this is weird.
We just gotta remember the way out. Dead end?
No, not yet. This is like anxiety provoking.
Oh, and there's a way here.
Oh, here we go. That was weird. Which way? This way? Oh, there's only one way.
It's so trippy.
Wow, this is trippy.
And it's just a slide down.
Let's just get a shot of the bear.
You should have got me walking into the wall.
So,
Oh, that's trippy. I'm small, right?
here, you get there. Do it again. This one, do this one. You got it. It's a slide?
Make it dramatic in the video, okay? Make it like done.
We'll see. How you doing? Where is it?